So, hi everyone. So, let us solve this initial value problem, okay? Now, we have y prime prime plus y prime minus 6y equal to 0. We have y of 0 equal to y prime of 0 equal to what? 0. To solve this one, let assumption solution to be what? Y equal to e raised power what? Ms, right? Let me find the first derivative here. This one will be what? E raised power mx, okay? Y prime prime will be what? Differentiate this one again. This one will be m squared into what? E raised power what? M, okay? Let me now put everything to this equation here. So we can have m squared e raised power ms plus 6m e raised power what? M minus 6y, which is what? This one, e raised power what? Mx equal to what? 0. Now take this a out, right? This one will be m squared plus 6m minus 6, everything is equal to what? 0, right? Now note e raised power mx is not equal to 0, okay? We have m squared plus 6m minus 6, everything is equal to what? 0, okay? Now let me now factorize this value here now, okay? So we have 6m here, right? So we have minus 6 here, okay? We can use our normal factorization. I can see 1 times what? Minus 6, right? It's minus 6, right? At the same time, I need two numbers that you add together to give us what? Minus 6. At the same time, when you add in, sorry, there's a mistake here. We don't have y prime here, nothing like that here, okay? I made a mistake. We don't have anything here, okay? So I'm sorry. So this one is wrong here. So we have my y prime here is just m minus what? 6, okay? Everything is equal to what? 0, okay? Now here now, 1 times minus 6, the coefficient of this one is what? So it's 1 times this constant number, which is what? Minus 3. That is, here now we can have 3 times what? Minus 2, okay? M square plus what? 3m minus what? 2m minus 6, everything is equal to what? 0. Now factorize this thing out, we can have m into m plus 3. What common here is minus 2, take it out into what? M plus 3, everything is equal to what? 0, okay? Now when you look at this value, we can have m minus 2 into what? M plus 3, everything is equal to what? 0. Here now you can see my m is equal to what? 2, or m is equal to what? Minus 3, right? Okay, now let me change this thing. This one is not there, so this 6 is not there, okay? So that I won't make any silly mistake. Now here now, let me now come to this general solution now. My general solution will now be what? Y equal to what? C1 e raised power what? 2x plus what? C2 e raised power what? Minus 3x, okay? Now, if you look at this initial value problem, we have y of 0 is equal to what? 1. So let me start with this one now. I can see y of 0 is equal to 1. It means your s is what? 0, and my y is equal to 1. Let me put this one. This one will be what? C1 2 times 0 plus what? C2 into what? E raised power minus 3 times 0. Everything is equal to 1. Everything here will be what? C plus what? C2. C1 plus is equal to what? 1. This one is what? Equation 1. Similarly, y prime of what? Let me check it out. So y prime of 0 is equal to what? 0. Wow. Y prime of 0 is equal to what? 0. Now, here now, let me call this one to be star. I need to differentiate this one because we need to get y prime. Y prime of this one will be y prime here. Now, if you differentiate e raised power 2s, we're going to get what? 2 here, 2c1 e raised power 2x plus. Now, differentiate this one here. Okay, this one will be what? Put your minus 3 here. Minus 3c2 e raised power what? Minus 3. Okay. Now, when you now look at this value now, y prime of 0 now, it means s equal to 0, y is also equal to what? 0. Let's put this one here to be what? 2c1. Okay, this one will be what? 2 times what? 0 minus 3 into what? C2 e raised to power minus 3 times what? 0, right? Everything is equal to what? 0, okay? Now, everything here is what? E raised to power 0, which is what? 1, 2C1 minus, what about this one? 3 times 0 is 0, e raised to power 0 is 1. So minus 3C2 equal to what? 0. This one will be what? Equation 2. Now, let me now combine this one together, okay? We have what? C1 plus C2 equal to what? 1. We have 2C2 minus what? 3C2 is equal to what? 0, which is what? Equation 1 and what? Equation 2, okay? Now, I can multiply equation 1 times what? Equation 1 times 3 and equation what? 2 times 1, okay? So, therefore, we have 3C1 plus 3C2 equal to what? 3. Let me call this one equation 3. And I think this one remains the same. Minus 3C2 equal to what? 0. This one is what? Equation 2. Now add it together. Add add equation 2 and 3 together. Add 3 and 2. Okay. This one will be what? 3C1 plus 2C2 plus what? 3C2 minus what? 3C2 equal to what? 3 plus 0. Okay. Now this one has vanished. We have 5 what? 5. This one is okay. This one is C1. Sorry, this one is 1. This one also what? 1. This is a mistake. Okay. Okay. So this one is what? 2C1. 2 what? 2C1 as well. 2C1. Okay. This one is 2C1 as well. Okay. This one will be what? 5C1. This one is what? 0. Everything is equal to what? 3. That is, my C1 is equal to what? 3 over 5. Okay. Now, so let me jump to the next page here. Now we have my C1 is equal to what? 3 over what? 5. Okay, don't forget that what? C1 plus C2 is equal to, which is what? Equation 1. So let's look at it. It's equal to what? 1. Okay, equal to 1. Now, since my C1 is equal to 5, 3 over 5 plus C2 is equal to 1. Now, my C2 will now be what? 1 minus what? 3 over 5. Okay, 3 over 5. So we can find the LCM here. This one will be what? 5. So 5 minus what? 3. This one give us what? 2 over 5. That is to say C1 equal to what? 3 over 5. Okay. Then C2 is equal to what? 2 over 5. Now finally, we can have what? 3 over 5 e raised to power. So let me look at this question that we got earlier, which is what? This one, okay? This one here. So e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x plus C2 is what? 2 over 5 into what? E raised to power minus 3x. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and